Moonbix promises easy crypto profits, but is it a rocket to riches or a black hole for your investments? First, let's dive into what Moonbix claims to be. Their website boasts impressive daily returns and a low-risk environment for crypto investing. They promote features like automated trading bots and guaranteed profit margins. But hold on, the devil's always in the details. Take a look at their terms and conditions. These documents are often filled with vague language and clauses that heavily favor the company, limiting your ability to recover funds if things go south. Next, do your own research. A quick Google search reveals a flood of negative reviews and scam warnings. Many users report difficulty withdrawing funds and unresponsive customer support. Real user experiences are a crucial indicator. Red flags are everywhere. Be wary of guaranteed returns in crypto. It's highly volatile and promises like these are classic scam tactics. Always verify company registration and regulatory compliance. Protect yourself. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. Use secure crypto wallets and avoid sharing your private keys with anyone. Consider consulting a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Moonbix may sound appealing, but the evidence suggests caution is key. Protect your investments and stay vigilant in the wild west of crypto.